watching this video. My name is I'm a second year student at Barcelona, Cambodia. I'm a member in Group 1 in VC2 and our project is about developing KHEOBS website in WordPress. And today I'm going to talk about the project storytelling. Our team created KHEOBS website to provide the organization with a professional online platform where they can introduce themselves, showcase their research, and share data in public. KHEOBS website or KHEOBS, they focus on satellite data and environmental monitoring, but without website in Cambodia, the web is not easily visible and accessible to Cambodian researchers, students, and community. Although KHEOBS already has a global website, but this new version is specifically dedicated to Cambodia and meant to highlight project research and opportunity to Cambodian students, interns, and researchers. By building this website, we are helping KHEOBS. First is presenting their mission, team, and project in a clear and professional way. Second is sharing research output, publication, and tools with the academic and the public. Third is improving communication through integrated features like Facebook News, Google Maps, and research catalogs. In short, the purpose of our project is to solve the problem of limiting visibility and accessibility of KHEOBS work by creating a modern academic style website to connect them with students, internship, researchers, and the public. Now that is all of the project storytelling. Thank you for paying your attention.
Hello everyone, my name is Engineer. I'm a second year IT student at Barcelona, Cambodia. And I'm from Group 1, Project Virtual Company 2. And today I will talk about the challenge and solution that my team have faced in this project. And the first challenge is about time. About time, in this project we have only 1.5 months to develop the website about NGO website. And we have lost time a lot with 2 configuration server, 3 weeks for 2 configuration about the server, and we have lost time with the setup for the project with the WordPress, and we try to configure it with the computer to run the WordPress, make it have the same result when we push code to the GitHub and export database and import database also. And for the solution, we cannot make it successful in our own laptop, so we request to the customer to host the WordPress for make more easy for us to develop it on the server. And when the customer hosts it, we can access it directly in the browser, so we make it easy to develop in the WordPress. And the next challenge is about the member. We have only 3 members in my team, so 1 member have the internship, so we have only 2 members to develop the website. So it is not enough member to build it, so we make it very difficult, and the 1 member can help us develop it only in the evening and in the weekend. And about the next challenge is about technical. About the technical for the WordPress, we also have learned it and so also have developed it also, but we still not have a lot of idea or knowledge about it, so it's very difficult for us to develop it. Me and Paulette Also, yeah, we have different idea also about the edit or custom page. Yes, for me, I custom it with the Elementor plugin, but for the project, he's made it as simple or default in the WordPress to develop page or edit page in uh, the WordPress. Sometimes we have a lot of stress because in the website we have some error or we cannot make some like the section fit with our idea, and yeah, it's very difficult and sometimes I have a lot of stress project also, but finally we can configure it by the solution. We take time to learn and continue to develop our website. I remember the one challenge is about the design or make the website fit what the customer want. It's very difficult because we have a lot of meeting with the customer for to get the requirement or the idea from the customer. But when we make it completely, when we show to the customer want to change something. Yes, it's very difficult. Sometimes we don't have the visual interface for to develop to develop, but we try to research more about how for example how the NGO website look like also, but finally we have make it successful. I think it's not 100%, but we can complete it with the hard working and teamwork, with the respectful to the customer and team member to coach also. So this is what we have done. So I really appreciate myself and my team and my coach, and also thank you to the customer that give us a chance to develop the website. Yes, thank you so much. For me, that's all.
Hello everyone, my name is Tim Bolet. I am from Pasaran, Cambodia, second year. Today I will talk about what makes us different for starting the VC2 and after finish the VC2. So first of all, our team have faced a lot of challenges. Before we start our VC2, we have facing a lot of difficulty, such as doesn't know much about communication in English and doesn't know how to face with the real world client, and also server configuration. This is the most difficult part of our team, and also the last one is we doesn't know much about WordPress. However, during these two, we have learning and challenging with those problems and developing step by step by learning and notice some idea from our teacher and also our coach to improve our communication and get in touch with our client. Since our client is also a foreigner, it is a little bit hard for us to communicate to each other. Since our team doesn't have any experience communication in English before. However, after communication for a few times, we note and we got improved much better and better. And next, if we talk about the server configuration, since we usually working only with Ubuntu in AWS, it is new for us to work in NG server because it is new and we need a lot of help. So to move on from this challenge, we asking our teacher, our coach, and also our client to help configure the server as well. And the last one, learning about WordPress. Yes, after finish the VC2, we have learned a lot about the WordPress. because we learn about the WordPress plugin, WordPress configuration, WordPress functionality, and also learn how to create our own WordPress feature as well. So that's all for my speech. Next, we will move on to our demo on our VC2 project. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I'm Chandiniat, the one of the developer of the KHEOBS website. In this video, I will walk you through the website I built, page by page, and explain the features I implemented to make it functional, user-friendly, and responsive. The homepage is designed as the entry point of the website. At the top we have the logo of the website and the clean navigation bar that can link to all the important pages like about, research, that we have project, publication, resource, news, and contact us. And in homepage we have a hero section. In hero section we introduce KHEOBS with a clear headline and background visuals. And then we have the highlight sections that quickly summarize who KHEOBS is, what they do, and link to their main projects. And we also include the news or updates fit to keep visitors engaged with the latest research and activities. And the last section is about the footer that we have, so user can know the logo, quick navigation that we have, all about research, resource, new contact, that we have the location, email, and the social media for easy to user to contact to the website. Now let's move to the about page. For the about page, we create for to explain what KHEOBS is. And the first section we can see the background visual that we saw about the theme of the organization, and we have the some text they cover to show the user what the organization built for, and about the short subtitle that we saw the mission of the organization. And the next section we talk about the value and goals of the organization, that we have in collaboration, innovation, and open science. And the next section is talk about theme of the organization, or that we have the specific theme because we have category it like GO Health, KHEOBS team in Cambodia, associate members, and the farmer members. And the next section we talk about the journey of the organization, that we have 2021 to the 2025. And the last section is about the contact us, that we saw the address, email, send a message, and about the location, or follow us with Facebook, email, and Twitter, or now let's move to the research. For the research, we have divided it into projects and publication. And in the projects, we have the background of the visual and the title and subtitle to show about the what this page talk about. And then we have to categorize of the project, and each card we have the image, the status of the project, that title of the project, description, and the location. And let's move to the publication. In publication we saw all the research outputs. Research output as presented neatly, allowing visitors to explore reports, paper, and other scholarly work. And let's move to the resource. For the resource, we have the section for to show the user what this page taught about also, and we have the the resource in two card. Each card we have the status that we have permission or no permission, that we have to give the user can view for free or for to pay or for to request access also. And for each card we have the image, for the image, title, description, and who's create this resource. And we have the view button for to view, click directly to view for the resource that the organization or the website give the user free or no request access to view it. And about the request access, we created for to user can request to the website to view the resource that have permission from the website. And now let's move to the new. For the new, we created for to show the user about the new information or news post from the Facebook that the organization have post on Facebook, and it will post in the website automatically. And then let's move to the contact for this contact button. When we click it, we will go into the Facebook page of the organization. Now that's all for me to talk about the KHEOBS website that my team have built.